we'll go on to do the third kind of adverb. And the third kind of adverb is adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner, they show how an action is done. Adverbs of manner show how an action is done. An action is done. Okay, adverbs of manner show how an action is done. And therefore, to the sentences, you should ask the question, give you some examples for it. So, you should ask the question, how? How is it done? Then you will get the adverb of manner. Okay? Now, I'll give you some examples. Remember to ask the question, how? How was the action done? For example, the baby slept soundly. The baby slept soundly. Then the soldier fought bravely. The soldier fought bravely. Bravely. Next, we have the tortoise. A tortoise walks slowly. A tortoise walks slowly. She sings well. She sings well. Okay? She writes neatly. She writes neatly. They work hard. They work hard. They work hard. Peter acted wisely. Peter acted wisely. She ran fast. She ran fast. He spent his wealth foolishly. He works badly. Now let's look at all the sentences we have here. Remember to ask the question how to each of the adverb that you detect in the sentence. You must ask the question how. How was an action done? The baby slept. How did the baby sleep? Soundly. How? Soundly. The soldier fought. How? How did he fight? He fought. They fought bravely. Next sentence we have a tortoise walks slowly. A tortoise walks. How? How does it walk? It walks slowly. She sings. How does she sing? She sings well. She writes. How does she write? She writes neatly. They work. How do they work? They work hard. Peter. Peter acted. How did he act? He acted wisely. She ran. How did she run? She ran fast. He spent his wealth. How did he spend his wealth? He spent his wealth foolishly. He works. How does he work? He works badly. So, when you ask the question how, you know that's an adverb of manner. In what manner? How did the baby sleep? Soundly. So it tells how an action is done. Baby sleeps soundly, soldiers fought bravely, tortoise walks slowly, she sings well, she writes neatly, they work hard. Peter acted wisely. She ran fast. He spent his wealth foolishly and he works badly. So the words soundly, bravely, slowly, neatly, fast, hard, badly, and finally we have foolishly. Foolish. All these words indicate, they all answer the question, how? How was the action done? How was it done? So, you know it's an adverb of manner. But we have also other words like surely, probably. Surely, I'll come tomorrow. Probably, the train is arriving. Probably, certainly, I will come tomorrow. Certainly. Extremely, clearly, nearby. All these, we have more words. Lots of words are there in adverbs of manner and they must always answer the question how, and then you know it's an adverb of manner. So in these 10 sentences we have the baby slept soundly, the soldier fought bravely, the tortoise walked slowly, she sings well, she writes neatly, they work hard. Peter acted wisely. She ran fast and he spent his wealth foolishly and he works badly. Now we have learned to identify adverbs of manner.